Michaela wants to hear your rumours this morning. Malcolm Stewart in London, so do we. Malcolm Stewart in London to the Railway Club Hotel, Port Melbourne. Sunday lunch or dinner at the Railway. Hi there, Malcolm.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah.
If you need it.
Sounds expensive.
Great rates. Training are not implemented correctly. SafeTrack's award-winning online compliance training educates staff in appropriate anti-bullying and anti-harassment conduct. With SafeTrack, you can improve morale and staff retention and ensure your brand is not associated with Me Too.
Look at this guy here. Light.
With real, fresh Aussie free-range eggs. And Trade has Australia's tastiest dressings range. Yep, for real. So if you're dreaming about really tasty Caesar dressing, taste the...
And he's been bottling that up for over 30 years now. Anyway, his abuser, as of today, is in jail at Her Majesty's pleasure. And good riddance to him as well. Simon, good afternoon. Hello, Simon. Dave, good afternoon.
Oh, hello, Tom.
Yes, Dave.
Right now, you can rent long-term from budget.
What? Trucks?
And utes, buses, 4x4s, for as long as you need. A week, a month, half a year.
Of Australian Islamic Relations. Kareem Desai, good afternoon.
Hi Tom, how are you?
Good, thank you. Well, Zara Dooman, she was quite happy to go to Islamic State. She was happy to say that we're thirsty for that is the US and Australia. She's happy to wave around the AK-47, happy to wave the Islamic State black and white flag. Now she wants us to accept her and her kids back. What should we do?